2026 Honda Pilot. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, third row seating, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.